Hello guys, as we all know that there is war between Israel and Iran happening from almost 1 month, and despite of being so a small nation, Israel is surrounded by so many enemy nations and nobody subdue it because of very good military technology and high air defense system. So here my name is Sushil Kumar and you guys are watching my YouTube channel Sushil Kumar. In this video, we'll see another military system that is called Iron Dome. So guys, in this video we'll see what is this Iron Dome, how does it work and what are its benefits. So guys, please watch this video till the end.
The Iron Dome is an Israeli developed mobile defense system designed to shoot down any incoming rocket or missile fired at the populated area of Israel. In simple language, it is just an Israel missile shield. The Iron Dome was developed by Israel defense company Rafael Advanced Defense System and Israel Aerospace Industry with some support of US firm, and the US government has funded so many billions of dollars in this project. You guys must have seen Iron Dome or other air defense system in many Marvel movies like The Avengers and Black Panther, but it is not exactly how it appears in this movie. In a movies, whenever any alien or any foreign body enters their fictional cities, it will always destroyed in a midair. Iron Dome is neither a mechanical system nor a shielding effect, but it is an advanced computer-driven all-weather air defense system integrated by radar, computer, and missile launcher. This air defense system provides a dome-like coverages over a specific area. That's why it is called dome system. Iron Dome has three main components that work in rapid succession. First one is radar detection. Second one is BMC, which is battle management and weapon control system. And third is a missile firing unit. Firstly, radar unit scans the atmosphere and detect incoming rocket and missile and measure their speed and location. After identifying which type of rocket and missile is incoming, their data is immediately sent to the military base, and the intelligence guy study and calculate the exact impact point of this missile and rocket. If you guys want more information on radar system, you guys please watch my previous video on what is speed gun. The speed gun and radar system is based on same principle. Link of this video will be given in description box, so please watch this video also. If the incoming rocket or missile is having any threat to a populated area, this system automatically launch a 3-meter long radar guided Tamir missile, which can destroy any of this rocket and incoming missile within air before entering borderline. That's how Iron Dome works. A combination of radar system, a computer program, and missile launcher makes the land of Israel safe. And this Iron Dome system is operated by Israel Defense Force. This Iron Dome protects Israel not only from Iran but also from the entire Middle East nation. The Iron Dome boasts 90% of success rate against any kind of rocket, drones, and missile system. This system also uses an artificial intelligence to calculate how strong is a rocket and will it attack or not. This system operates day and night in all weather conditions like rain, dust, and fog. It is also highly mobile. It means it can be moved from one places to another depending on war situation. Despite being claimed to be one of the most advanced defense system, it also has some weakness. This Iron Dome system is also very expensive, roughly 50 million US dollar for a battery unit, and the each Tamir missile is costing between 40 to 50,000 US dollar. During heavy conflict, only 100 can be used within a day. These Tamir missile knock down incoming threat launch from range of 4 to 70 kilometers. Another drawbacks of Iron Dome is it is designed to only handle a certain number of missiles. In a massive attack such as thousands or hundreds of rockets fired at once in a short amount of time can damage the whole system. It also cannot stop a hypersonic or a ballistic missile. which are moving in very high speed or having stealth technology.
So guys, if you like this military technology, please like my video, share it more and more, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more informative videos. Thanks for supporting.